And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
My channel if you're new. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be Draupadi's Cheat Haran inspired makeup look. So I'm really excited for this one because this is one of the most requested videos here on my channel. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Firstly, I'll be using some moisturizer. Now I'll be using the Colourbuff Flawless Finish Primer. Next up, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And as usual, I'm going to be using this flat brush to apply my foundation. Now I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. Now I'll be filling my eyebrows using this dark brown bronzer. Now I'll be using the spoolie of this eyebrow pencil and I'm going to be brushing my eyebrows out. Now I'm going to be doing the same to this eyebrow as well. So I forgot to set my face using a powder, so I'm going to quickly do that. So I'm done setting the powder. Now I'm going to start off with my eye makeup. So I'm going to be using this You Can Be Spotlight eyeshadow palette for this eye makeup. First I'm going to use this shade to blend in my crease. And as usual, I'm going to be using this fluffy blending brush. I'm also going to be using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette. So firstly, I'm going to be picking up this shadow to blend in my inner corner. So I'm picking this shadow using the same blending brush. So next I'm going to be using this shade. So I'm going to be blending it over here. I'll be picking up this black shade right here using this flat shader brush. So I've blended the black eyeshadow really well, you can see. Now I'm going to be applying eyeliner. Today I'm going to be using the Dazzler Eye-Tex eyeliner. So I'm done applying the eyeliner. Next step is to apply a kajal. So I'm going to be using the kajal by L18. Soon. So I'm going to be doing the same to this eye as well and come back really soon. So you guys can see I'm done with both the eyes. Now it's time to apply mascara. First I'll be curling my eyelashes using this Miniso eyelash curler. So I'm gonna quickly apply mascara and be back. So I'm done applying mascara. So now it's time for eyelashes. So I'm gonna quickly go off camera and apply eyelashes. So you guys can see I'm done applying the eyelashes as well. So let's move on to the rest of the base makeup. Firstly, I'm going to be using the LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette to contour my face. Now I'll be using this angled fluffy brush to contour my nose. Now I'll be using the Sugar Contour De-Force Mini Blush in the shade 01 Peach Pink for my blush. Now I'll be using the same LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette to highlight my face. Now that I'm done with my base makeup, now I'm going to be applying lipstick. And I'm going to be using this Beauty People lipstick, which is like a nudish pink lipstick. You guys can see it's all ruined, but yeah, I'm going to be using this. Now I'm going to be using the Sugar Time to Shine lip gloss on top of it. So now I'm done with the makeup, but we need to add some finishing touches. Like, during the cheer Haran, Draupadi gets hurt over here and over here and all. So we're gonna be adding that finishing touches using a lipstick. I'm gonna be using this Miniso liquid lipstick, which is like a mini pony liquid lipstick. It's a reddish liquid lipstick. You can see, you can use this. And also along with it, I'm gonna be using this plain brown lipstick. I can also use like you can also use a liquid lipstick if you want. And firstly, I'm going to be taking some cotton, not this much. I'll take like a little ball of it. You guys can probably see I've taken this much of cotton. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm taking this Miniso liquid lipstick. It's a red lipstick. And I'm applying it on my hand randomly. So I've randomly applied it. Now I'll be using the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Lipstick. It's in the shade Brown Souvenir and it's a liquid lipstick, so I'm going to be using this one too. I'm going to be like using like a bits of it. So you guys can see I've applied it, so I'm going to be applying it like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stamp this cotton onto the print that I've made. So I'm using this cotton on the left side of my forehead. I'm gonna be like stamping this. So I had shown you guys this brown lipstick, right? Because I don't want it to look too much pink. It will become too obvious that I have applied a lipstick. So I'll be using this brown lipstick like this. In the borders almost. And then I'll be using the same cotton to blend it. I'll just tap. I'm done doing that. Now I'm going to be doing the same over here. I'm done applying all the finishing touches. Now the last step is to use a fixing spray. So I'll be using the Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner as a makeup fixer. Because I want this makeup look to be very dewy, I have sprayed a lot of makeup fixer actually. I'm gonna be keeping the bindi and then put on all the costume and the jewelries, and then I'll meet you guys.
इस घमंडी स्त्री का मुख तो दिखाओ।
महाराज, हस्तिनापुर की राजसभा में ये किस प्रकार का व्यवहार हो रहा है? मैं कुरुवंश की कुलवधू हूँ, कुरु राष्ट्र की प्रतिष्ठा हूँ। गुरुद्रोण, आप तो यहाँ मेरे पिता के स्थान पर हैं। मेरे साथ ऐसा व्यवहार क्यों हो रहा है? महाराज, आपके पुत्र इस प्रकार मर्यादा भंग कर रहे हैं, उससे आपके मुख पर लांछन लग रहा है। आप इन्हें रोकते क्यों नहीं?
एक दासी को अपने स्वामी का आदेश मानना ही पड़ता है।
दासी हूं मैं, इस प्रकार बन गई दासी।
दुशासन, जिस प्रकार इसने इंद्रप्रस्थ की सभा में समग्र आर्यवर्त के सामने हमें निशस्त्र किया था, उसी प्रकार इसे इस सभा में निर्वस्त्र कर दो।
मैं इस राजभवन के एक एक पत्थर को तोड़ दूंगा। दुर्योधन, हस्तिनापुर की राजसभा में आज तक ऐसा दुर्व्यवहार नहीं हुआ है। गुरुवंश की मर्यादा का कुछ तो विचार करो, कुछ तो विचार करो।
महाराज धृतराष्ट्र, अपने हृदय के नेत्र खोलो। अपनी सभा में इतना बड़ा अधर्म मत होने दो।
युवराज दुर्योधन, गुरु राज्य सभा में ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
मौन रहो, मौन। युधिष्ठिर से पूछो, क्या स्वामी अपने दास और दासियों को दंड नहीं दे सकता है? क्या तुम्हारे भाई और ये द्रौपदी मेरे दास दासी नहीं हो? उत्तर दो युधिष्ठिर।
हैं हम दास दासियां, पर यह किस प्रकार का दंड है?
मैं दासी नहीं हूं। राज्य बल से जीता जाता है दुर्योधन, छल से नहीं।
देखिए पितामह, इस दासी का बर्ताव देखिए। क्या इसे दंड देना उचित नहीं है?
अनुचित है। बस करो दुर्योधन, बस करो। ये अनर्थ है।
अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें महामहिम।
वत्स द्रौपदी, ये सिद्ध हो चुका है कि तुम एक दासी हो।
तो क्या धर्म ही स्त्री का अपमान करता है? धर्म ही स्त्री का शोषण करने का अधिकार देता है आप पुरुषों को। मेरा रक्षण अब आप लोग नहीं कर पाएंगे। गोविंद,
यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्। परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां।
नहीं, मैं अब आपकी पुत्र वधू नहीं, आपके पुत्रों की पत्नी नहीं, गुरुवंश की कुल वधू नहीं। माथे पर चूड़ामणि धारण नहीं करूंगी।
यज्ञ से जन्मी याज्ञ सेनी हूँ और अग्नि को कभी बांधा नहीं जा सकता। मुझे तुम दासी नहीं बना सकते क्योंकि मुझे वो स्वीकार्य नहीं, मान्य नहीं।